Hello and welcome back. Oh lovely, seems like we have some guests to deal with before I can start building without risk of getting shot. I think the gold one just disappeared, which is nice. Hey, if I kill this guy and get 3 string, which isn't even possible, I don't think, I can make a bow. I didn't get 3 string because that's not possible. I think it's 2 string. But, you know, I really don't know why I still have this here. I genuinely didn't use it like a single time. I used it once when I built it, and then pretty much I just went over to there. So now I can tear it down. Oh, I didn't even notice these were 2 trapdoors. Alright, let's move it. And dirt. Trapdoors. Actually, I think I'm gonna probably take it down 1 more level, really, because this one is still sort of messed up, because I started bringing it in too much. The levels should just be like, I think, taller. I think if I made all the levels taller, it'd be fine. Like this maybe is gonna be good. See, but like the more I sort of cut it down, the more I want to just make it a stump. Because I think up until around here, it actually looks fine. Like, it looks like a tree. But then I really messed it up later on. But then, like, here, if I just made it like a stump, like this, then I think that actually would look pretty decent. But I don't really know how to really bring this up without quite really messing it up a lot. I mean, I think it's mainly just a problem of when they're too short, they really start to look like quite a bit off. Because, I mean, in real life, trees are quite tall. So then, pretty much when this tree isn't tall, it just starts to look sort of just wrong. But it's also, I feel like about the way that it flares, or not flares, but kind of like almost the opposite of flares, like doesn't flare. Inverts, I guess. But like, basically, how it kind of goes up towards a point. Like, if it, I don't really know how to explain it. What I do know how to explain is that that looks not terrible, actually. That works. Then I need these to sort of steep, or like lean in almost. Like basically what I'm going for is sort of like this, of how it converts to a point. Like sort of this kind of way. And I think so far that is kind of working. It's like an exponential curve almost. Yeah, it really is just an exponential curve, which so far has been working, which means that to continue, I need to make it go higher up. I sort of want to push this in though, a little, but then that becomes problematic on the inside. This. Here, I guess it's sort of fine to be shorter, just because we really need to bring this bit in. And then if I miss this, I die. That was not a very wise choice. That was in fact very unwise. But hey, we can go harvest from the bees. Yoink. We have so much just backup food. It's lovely. See, that looks better. That looks a lot better. And then from here, I almost want to bring it just way more up. Like, See, now I'm wondering, does this look weird? Or like off? And I'm pretty sure that it does. I think it does in fact look very much weird and off. Ow. I mean, that actually sort of works. It actually doesn't look as weird and off as I thought it would. Screenshot with the thumbnail. That was actually not too bad. I actually quite like that. So I don't think I will be turning it into a stump. As long as I can bring that up maybe another 10 blocks and it doesn't look terrible, then yeah, that's probably gonna stay as that. And that is the end of the episode.